Welcome class playgroup. How are you all? I hope and pray that all of you are fine and doing great at home. So as you know that today is 27th of January 2021 and the day is Wednesday. So we are going to study English today. So let's see, what do we have to study today? We are going to revise the letter E. E. Can you look at this and spot where is E? Yes, this is the letter E. और हमें कैसे पता चला ये E है? क्या आप इसे सिर्फ देखकर बता सकते हैं ये कौन सा लेटर है? E. Because it has a dot at the top. Dot at the top. Which letter is this? E. I hope you are practicing more and more to recognize this number क्योंकि हमें असेसमेंट में थोड़ी मुश्किल हुई थी है ना recognize करने में. So from now onwards we are going to focus on the recognition of letters more. Okay, so you have to practice on the slates as well as look at the picture and identify it by yourself. और हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि ये E ही है? Because it has a dot at the top and we'll go down and turn around. Okay, and we have a dot at the top. So this letter is E. 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 Good job, everyone. Start. So we have this letter E. How do we recognize it? We will go down and turn a little and put the dot at the top. So which letter it is? It is letter E. So we have lots of pictures over here. We just have to identify which object starts with the letter E. So let's see, starting from there, what are these? These are socks. 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 So does it start with letter E? E is socks? No. This is socks. Okay, now moving on to next. Is this E candle? No. Cook candle. So we are not going to match it. Okay. So can you please tell me what is this? Bat. Bat. But it does not start with letter E. Bat. Okay. Now look at over here. What are these? These are insects. इंसेक्ट्स किसे कहते हैं? मैंने आपको बताया था ना, इसे आपको उर्दू में इन्हें कहते हैं कीड़े मकोड़े और हम इनको कलेक्टिवली इंसेक्ट्स कहते हैं, जिसमें बटरफ्लाई भी आ जाती है, बी भी आ जाती है, स्पाइडर भी आ जाती है और एंट भी. ओके, सो हम इसे कलेक्टिवली कहेंगे सबको इंसेक्ट. So I am going to match it with the picture like this. Okay, everyone. Now, can you please tell me what is this? Ink pot. इसमें से हम ink पेन में भरते हैं ना. So it is called as ink pot. We put ink in it. तो E ink. So what I am going to do is I am going to match E with the picture like this. Very good. Now we have second last object, which is airplane. Okay, now let's see, does it starts with this letter E? Aeroplane? No. Aeroplane. Aeroplane. So this does not start with this letter. I'm not going to mention it. Okay, match it. Now we have this last picture. Can you please spot what is this? Igloo. Yes, this is a house made up of ice, right? Igloo. Igloo. क्या साउंड शुरू हो रही है? ए. ये भी ई है और इसका भी साउंड शुरू का क्या रहा है? इग्लू. सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज आई एम गोइंग टू मैच ई विद इग्लू लाइक दिस. गुड जॉब एवरीवन, you have done a great job. Now open up your workbook, page number 27. We have mentioned it already, the date. You also have to mention the date at the top and the two of the pages, which are page number 27 as well as 28. So what are we going to do? First of all, we are going to recognize the number, then match it with the correct vocabulary, pictorial vocabulary, and we will what are we going to do? We are going to trace them as well. So let's see, what do we have? We have to trace it first. Which letter is this, everyone? It has a dot at the top. So which letter is this? Yes, this is letter E. So I'm going to start from here and make a standing line like this, or we'll go down, down and turn a little. I think this letter is the easiest one. Go down and turn a little and put the dot at the top like this. It makes letter E. So we have the pictures over here. इससे पहले हमने क्या किया? हमने बोर्ड पर मैचिंग की. Now let's see. First one is done for you. Igloo. So we're going to match igloo with the letter E like this. Now can you spot what are these? These are almonds. Almonds. So it does not start with letter E. वैसे तो almond बहुत healthy होते हैं. We should have at least 7 almonds a day. Okay. Now let's move on to next. What is this? An insect. An insect. Does it start with letter E? Yeah. So we are going to match it like this. Now this is your homework to recognize the objects and match if it starts with the same letter. So now moving on to next, we are going to do the tracing of letter E again. Let's take out the pencil, which should be sharp. Go down, turn a little like this and put the dot at the top, makes E. Again, go down, turn a little and put the dot at the top. This is how you have to complete this page. Now moving on to page number 2828. For this, you should revise the things which start with letters A, D, E, S, A, D, E. So this is letters. हमारे पास क्या क्या चीज़ें थी? Snakes, sun, star, apple, almond, arrow, the tiger, the truck, the tomato, igloo, ink pot, insect. So we have revised it already. Now on page number 100 we have some beautiful stickers. Let's see them. Here they are. Paste the following stickers on page number 2828. We have some beautiful pictures over here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to first letter was S, so I'm going to take this sticker out and paste it with it. Let's do it now. I'm going to take out like this, and here on page number 2828 I will paste this pictorial vocabulary in front of okay, now say it loud, sun. I'm going to paste it carefully like this. It will be fun, everyone, है ना? So paste it like this. I have done first one for you. You have to complete this. Okay, these two pages, the two activities as well as tracing. I hope it will be fun for you. I'll be back with the next video. Till then, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.